Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch the full lecture.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In last video we just discussed about the introduction part of GST structure in India. I told you that in this particular video will be discussing about the tax slabs, whatever the different slabs are there in the GST tax structure. So we have totally four types of tax structure, that is nil rate, lower rate, standard rate and higher rate. So we have totally four types of tax slabs. ನಾಲ್ಕು ರೀತಿಯ tax slabs ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು nil rate, lower rate, standard rate, higher rate. Let us discuss about all these four rates in depth. First one is nil rate. Nil rate means zero rate. So this nil rate is actually imposed on the raw vegetables like potatoes, onions, and again various vegetables. Then when you're purchasing some animals such as sheep, goats, live poultry, bird or a bird eggs in the shell, so zero rate tax is applied. Or wheat, corn, maize, cereal grains, live poultry, birds, bird eggs in the shell. Yeah, same. Fresh fish. So again, the nil rate tax means no tax. You need not pay any tax. Next, human blood means when your blood requirement is there, like blood bank, you go and bring the blood. So that time there is no tax. Then various components of the same, which are limited, like some medical this thing like this. It is not, which are zero nil rated. Next, fresh ginger, melon, roasted coffee beans, and unprocessed tea leaves. If it is processed, then tax is there. Don't worry. So it is unprocessed, tax green tea leaves. Next, raw silk, silk waste, khadi fabric, charcoal, or the firewood. All these things also is a will not have any tax, or it can say that it is having a nil rated GST. Tools and instruments like hearing aids means if any person is having a hearing problem, that time they use some earplugs so that they can hear something. So such kind of hearing aids, spades, shovels, tools used in agricultural processes or handmade musical instruments, all these things will not have any kind of GST. Next, the lower rate. Lower rate is nothing but the 5%. So if lower rate GST means 5% will be imposed. 5% rate will apply to the most of the common commodities and services. So this particular 5% lower rate GST, it is almost applicable to most of the whatever the common commodities or the common services we use. This mainly includes the rest of items under consumer price index and the mass consumption products, means which we consume mostly, like frozen vegetables, like frozen peas you'll get, coffee, tea. Next, rail tickets, the economy air tickets. I had two, business air tickets and economy air tickets. And economy air tickets fall under this 5% lower rated GST. Takeaway food or carry food or the fertilizers. These are all comes under the 5% lower rate GST. Next, we have standard rate. In standard rate, there are two different rates. One is 12% and one more is 18%. So two different rates are there. One the 12% rate is there, another 18% rate is there. Now, most of the goods and services come under this slab only. So most of the goods and services either fall on 12% rate or they fall on this 18% rate. Most to keep inflation in the check, the government has decided to keep two standard rates of products to maintain the have a look into the inflation part of it. They have kept this two standard rates. So what and all items are coming under the 12% slab rate means the butter, cheese, handbags, the jewelry boxes, the cell phones, or the frozen meat, or business class air ticket. See, economy class air ticket, it comes under 5% GST, but this business class air tickets comes under 12% GST. Then movie tickets priced under rupees 100. If your movie ticket is less than 100 rupees, then you have to pay 12% GST for that. Next, what and all the items comes under this 18% tax means the pasta or the pastries, the cakes, the vacuum cleaner, the hair dryers, the panels, the electrical panels, wires, the information technology services, and telecom services. These and all fall under the standard rate 18%. Next, we have higher rate. Higher rate is the last slab, that is 28 percentage. So more than 200 products will come under this 28% tax slab. So under this 28% tax slab, more than 200% of products or more than 200 products comes under. This mostly consists of luxury products. Usually this 28% is levied on the luxury products. For example, the pan masala, the paint, cement, automobile, the cars, or the automobile industry, whatever they produces, the washing machine, shampoo, sunscreen, the motorcycles, aerated water that is, etc. So these are the things comes under 28% GST. But there are some of the product under this 28% higher rate tax, for which even the additional tax has been charged by the government. So few products are there which the government charges the additional tax. So these are the four different slabs which we have under GST. Hope you have understood this video very well. If you have understood, like this video and please put in the comment box that you have understood the video, or else if you have any doubt, you can put even the doubt also in the comment box, so that we'll be happy to help you out in resolving your doubts. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button, so that whenever I upload a new lecture videos, immediately you will get a notification of my new lectures. And in my next video, I'll come back with the advantages of GST. So till then, please keep watching my YouTube videos and study well. Thank you.
If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.